Namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss few magical questions of linear equations in one variable. So my first question is divide 243 into 3 parts such that half of first part, three things are given. Half of first part, you can write half into first part, then 1/3 of second part, and then 1/4 of third part are equal. Means these three are equal. We have to divide 243 into 3 parts. Then if these three are equal, let these all three are equals to x. Half of first part is x, 1/3 of second part is x, and 1/4 of third part is also x. Now what will come? Take 2 to the right side. 1 into first part will be first part as it is. Take 2 to the right side, it will go in multiplication. So first part is 2x. Similarly, second part is, take 3 to the right side, it is 3x. Then third part will be, take 4 to the right side, it will be 4x. Now what is given? The sum of these three parts, because we are dividing 243 into 3 parts. So what is given? Sum of these three parts is equals to 243. So according to question, 2x plus 3x plus 4x equals to 243. Simplify it now. This is your linear equation. 4372 9x equals to 243, and x will be equals to 243 upon 9. 9 2s are 18, 9 7s are 63. The value of x is 27. So what are the value of parts? First part will be 2 multiplied by 27, which is equal to 54. Second is 3 multiplied by 27, that is 81. And third is 4 multiplied by 27, which is 108. And their sum will be 243. This is your required solution. Discuss one more question which is totally different. The sides other than hypotenuse of a right triangle. If ABC is the right triangle, the sides other than hypotenuse means it is talking about AB and BC, because the side which is opposite to 90 is called hypotenuse. So other than hypotenuse are AB and BC. Are in ratio means AB ratio BC is given 3:4. A rectangle is described on hypotenuse. So first of all, we need to find out hypotenuse. So the ratio is given, let common factor equals to k. Then the sides will be AB equals to 3 multiplied by k, that is 3k, and BC will be equals to 4 multiplied by k, that is 4k. Now a rectangle is described on hypotenuse. So first of all, we need to find out the hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, we know that h square equals to b square plus p square. So here h is AC, so AC square equals to base is AB, that is 3k, so 3k whole square plus 4k whole square, which will be equals to, simplify it now, AC square will be 3 3s are 9k square plus 4 4s are 16k square, which is equals to 25k square. Means AC square equals to 25k square and AC will be equals to square root of 25k square. So square root of 25 is 5 and square root of k square is k. So this will be 5k. Therefore the sides of right angle triangle are 3k, then 4k and then 5k. Let us go to the second part of the question. Let us go to the second statement. A rectangle is drawn on the hypotenuse. Now where is the rectangle? Let us see. It is on hypotenuse. AC D is the name. Then let us discuss about this rectangle only now. What is given? The breadth of the rectangle is 4 upon 5 of the length. So length is equals to 5k. What will be breadth? Breadth will be 4 upon 5 of the length, that is 5k. So 5 ones are 5, it will be 4k. Now what is given in the question? That the perimeter is 180 centimeter. Perimeter is 180 centimeter. So what is perimeter? 2 multiplied by length plus breadth is equals to 180 centimeter. Replace the values here. The values will be 2 multiplied by length is given equals to 5k and breadth is given equals to 4k equals to 180 centimeter. 5 plus 4 9k. So 2 multiplied by 9k equals to 180 and 2 nines are 18k equals to 180 and k is equals to 180 upon 18. 18 tens are 180. You got the value of k, that is 10. Now what is the shortest side? Will be 3k, that is 3 multiplied by 10 equals to 30 centimeter is your required answer. Let us discuss one more problem, that is 5 years ago the mother was 7 times as old as her daughter. 5 years hence she will be 3 times as old as her daughter. So 3 conditions we have. How 3 conditions? Let us see. First of all, 5 years ago mother was 7 times as old as her daughter. So first of all we have to suppose their age is 5 years ago. Let the daughter is equals to x and mother will be 7 times the daughter, that is 7 multiplied by x, which is equals to 7x. Now come to present. Now what will be their present ages? So if 5 years ago the daughter was x years old, then in present she will be x plus 5 years old. Then the mother is 7x, the age of mother will be 7x plus 5. But the second relation is given 5 years hence. So what will be their ages 5 years hence? So 5 years hence. Their ages will be, age of daughter is, now 5 years hence, so 5 more will be added. It will be x plus 5 plus 1 more 5, which is equals to x plus 10 years. And what will be mother? Age of mother will be equals to 7x plus 5 was present age, and 5 years later she will be 7x plus 10. Now let us see the relation years. So let us see the relation. The relation is she will be 3 times as old as her daughter. So according to question, the age of mother that is 7x plus 10 will be equals to 3 times the age of daughter, that is 3 multiplied by x plus 10. Simplify it now. 7x plus 10 as it is will be equal to 3 into x, 3x plus 3 tens are 30. Then bring 3x to the left side, take 10 to the right side. 7x minus 3x will be equals to 30 minus 10. Now 7 minus 3 will be equals to 4x equals to 20, and the x will be 20 upon 4. 4 5s are 20. This is equals to 5. Now what is asked in the question? Find their present ages. So these are their present ages. Present age of daughter will be x plus 5, that is 5 plus 5, which is equals to 10 years. And present age of mother will be 7x plus 5, that is 7 multiplied by 5 plus 5, which is equals to 7 5s are 35 plus 5 40 years. This is your required answer.